The next very first topic we are going to discuss about the infrasonic and ultrasonic frequency. Students, what is the audible range of the human being? What is the audible range of the human being? It is 20, we have discussed in the 7th class also, it is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, or we can say 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. This is the audible range of the human being. We can able to hear the voice up to 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. One is decibel. In the 10th class we will discuss about the decibel. Decibel range is starting from the 0 decibel. So infrasonic and ultrasonic. In the in means inside. Ultra means up. You just listen just like this. So in means inside. The range which is below the 20 kilohertz, the range which is below is inside the 20 hertz is called as infrasonic range or infrasonic frequency. Ultra, up, above. Okay, the range which is above 20 kilohertz is called as ultrasonic frequency. So the frequency is range 20 to 20 hertz is called sonic or audible range. The sound frequency less than 20 hertz is called as infrasonic sound or simply infrasonic, while sound of frequency greater than, that means up, above or greater than 20 kilohertz is called as ultrasonic. So animal can produce to hear the sound frequency below 20 hertz as well. You know that the dogs, it can hear judge the sound very fastly. So its range is 20 hertz to 50 kilohertz. Different sounds are here. So ultrasonic and its application. What are the property of the ultrasonic? The first is the energy carried by the ultrasonic is very high. Then ultrasonic can travel along with a well-defined straight line also. It does not bend appreciably the edges of the obstacles because of small wavelength. Its wavelength is very small. Wavelength means it is very small are there. Very small are there, even like this also. Very small wavelength is there. So it can pass appreciably or without, it can penetrate at a very high level without bending it. So where bats are avoiding the obstacle in their path. How they are not able to visible in the morning time or daytime, they are not able to see. How they can fly. So every time they are sending the ultrasonic waves to their surrounding. So they produce ultrasound which return after striking the obstacle. Obstacle means obstruction which is offered, and after that it comes back in their path. So by hearing the reflected sound, they judge the direction of the obstacle in the way, and from the time interval when this produce sound, they judge the distance of the obstacle. Second one, we can use this ultrasonic is used for drilling holes and making cuts of desired shapes and material like glass. You know that, and in the high buildings they are falling down by one machine. So what are they are just simply put over there. So what type of rays they are passing? They are passing a ultrasound sound or ultrasonic rays into it. So to clean a minute object such as parts of watches and electronic components, gadgets, sounds, and so ultrasound is used. Then for detection of defect of metal, ultrasound is used. So then ultrasound pass through the object if there is no defect or if crack or cavity in the object, but if there is some defect, a part of ultrasonic gets reflected from the back. So X-rays also we can do with the help of this ultrasonic range. So sonar also is used by the ultrasounds. And last topic, very important question, because this question is not in the external exercise, but they are asking the internal question. So they are asking about the what is the difference between the ultrasonic sonic and supersonic, and some students are writing the infrasonic, but that answer is not up to mark. So what is ultrasonic and supersonic? This is supersonic. Supersonic sound speed is greater than the speed of the sound in air. So what is the speed of sound in air? Speed of sound in air is 330 meter per second. Speed of sound. What is the speed of sound? What is the speed of light? First of all, speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Whereas the speed of sound is 330 only meter per second. So ultrasonic sound is a frequency above 20 kilohertz, while the supersonic is used the object which travel in a speed greater than the speed of sound. And usually we can concord jet or planes or fighter planes, we are using this speed. So students, this small topic is there, so try to read this topic, as this topic is very important. And mostly the answers which are given near the book questions, near the questions answers are given, those questions you have to give preference more. So try to read this topic, and if you have a doubt, you can in the comment section you can ask me your doubt. Thank you.